I'll be showing you step by step how to use the Privy Cart Saver on Shopify. So let's dive right into the Privy app here. If you don't have it installed already, you can find it on the Shopify App Store. Go through the quick installation setup. This will bring you to the dashboard here. Now from there, we want to go set up the Cart Saver automation. And to do so, we'll go to the top here under Convert and we'll go down to Place. These are basically pre-built templates in Privy that make it super easy to set up these functions. So I'm going to scroll down here. We can see Capture New Contacts, such as a welcome discount. We want to go to the section under Prevent Loss Signups, and it's going to be this Cart Saver section. And we can do it to help start cart abandonment before a shopper leaves your site, with this perfectly timed play here. Now to go and create this, we can click on Create. We can select our coupon code. Now I have a 10% coupon code set up in Privy, so I'm going to click on this here, then click Continue. From there, it's going to bring up to our design sequence. On the left-hand side, we can add different elements and have the overall customization for the display. If we want to add more text here, we can just click on it, and it's going to show up at the bottom here. I don't want to add any more text, but we'll just leave this as the default for now. Under display styles, we can set the position. Maybe we want it to show up on the bottom left, the bottom center, and this is going to apply to desktop only. I'm going to leave this as the bottom right, and I'll leave the background color as white. I'm going to remove the background image there, so it's just going to be my white background. To customize any of the elements, I can click on them. It's going to show me the text editor, so I can set the font family, the font size, the font color, as well as the text. Maybe instead of don't go, I'll change this to wait 1 second. I'll leave the sign up now to get 10% off everything in your cart, as that is the coupon code. And for the button here, I'm going to click on the form, and I'm going to change this button color to a bright red, as it's going to stand out a little bit more. Now that's the first page. If we go to the bottom here, we also have the thank you page. So if I click on that brings me to the thank you page section. So once they enter in their email, it's going to say you're on the list. Use a discount code below to get a discount on your purchase. It's going to create a custom coupon code there. I'll leave these as the default here, because I think that's fine for the thank you there. Again, we can remove this background image here. And to finalize these changes, I'm going to click Save in the top right hand. Then I'm going to click on Publish. So that's going to set up the Cart Saver automatically. Is if we were to go to create here, we can see our form fields are automatically enabled. We can go and change the design here by clicking on edit. For the target, it's going to set this up without us having to do anything, as the when to show is going to be exit intent enabled and at most once per day. The who to show it to is already enabled, and how long to show it is just going to be an ongoing pop-up here. For the follow-up, this is going to be our email follow-up. We can also make this a series. So maybe we wanted to make this multiple emails. We can click on that there. But for the schedule, this is going to be the initial email that's sent. And if I click on this row here, we can go and customize any of this. I would encourage you to match this to your Shopify theme, sticking to the brand colors and the same font. If I wanted to add a new heading here, make it say something like "Don't miss your coupon code." And I can select it all and then clicking on center here. I could also maybe change this shop now button. Again, maybe I'll make it a red. So I'll go to the background color, click on the red. Maybe I'll change the font to something larger so it's going to stand out a little more. To finalize these changes, I would just hit save in the top right, and that's going to enable the follow-up there. And to see the results, I can just click on results, and it's going to give me a report based on the number of signups. So in conclusion there, that's how we set up the Cart Saver in Privy. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. It's going to include everything from your ad spend to your cost of goods sold to your transaction fees. So you can get a true understanding of how your store is performing, letting you make smarter business decisions. It includes a ton of different details and analytics, so you can stay on top of your business. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below, so you can get access to the Shopify app listing directly. This concludes the video here. If you enjoyed it, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.